Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today. President Trump's comments on Tuesday evening sparked a significant rally in Bitcoin, sending it past $93,000 and edging closer to $94,000 on TradingView data. This sudden surge of interest has many wondering if the relationship between Bitcoin and traditional markets is finally breaking free from its tech stock shackles. For years, Bitcoin has been closely tied to the performance of the Nasdaq index, often moving in tandem with tech stocks. However, recent price actions suggest that's starting to change. As market analysts point out, Bitcoin's price movements are becoming increasingly independent of tech stocks, and this could be a significant turning point for the digital asset. Now, let's take a closer look at what's behind this shift. President Trump's repeated jabs at Fed Chair Jerome Powell have sparked concerns about the central bank's independence and monetary policy. This unease has led to increased investor anxiety, with money flowing into gold as investors seek safe havens. But Bitcoin is bucking that trend, instead surging forward in response to the president's comments. Trump also softened his stance on China's tariffs during Tuesday's press conference, saying they'd be coming down substantially. This development further fueled the Bitcoin rally, as investors took the news as a sign that the U.S. economy might finally start to show some signs of life. Now, let's take a look at what's happening in the ETF market. U.S.-listed spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen strong gains following a stretch of outflows. In fact, data from Farsight Investors shows that the group recorded $381 million in net inflows on Monday alone, with no funds posting losses. And if that wasn't enough, total net inflows across all spot Bitcoin ETFs now stand at over $719 million, according to the latest update from Tuesday's trading session. This is Bitcoin Bulletin, and we'll be keeping a close eye on these developments as they unfold. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that President Trump's comments have had a significant impact on the markets. Whether this marks the beginning of a new era for Bitcoin or just another wild swing remains to be seen. One thing is certain, however. The relationship between Bitcoin and traditional markets is evolving, and we'll be here to bring you all the latest news and analysis as it happens. That's all for today on Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for joining us.